Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I just wanted to do a quick reveal of a handbag that I did unbox, as you saw in the beginning. And I bought this bag off of Vestiaire Collective to reveal my new to me Balenciaga Bazar bag. I believe this is the XS size. Yeah, the XS size. I picked this up on Vestiaire Collective. As you saw, it did not come with the original desk bag, but it did come with the cards and everything, and they did state that there were some marks on the corners. That's why they were selling it for a good price, which I don't know if you can see, but there's just like a little bit of rubbing on the corners in the front, which was no problem to me. I did have it authenticated by Vestiaire Collective, which is an extra fee. I wasn't too happy when I unboxed it. Good thing you guys didn't see my facial expression when I did open it, because I was mortified when it was all crunchy on this side. But I'm happy I was able to find a pillow, which I'll go ahead and take out right now, that fit inside. Like, I'm happy. It's just like a pillow that I stuffed inside, and just your standard pillow. There is the interior. I hope you can see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see or not, but it just has a slip pocket. I believe this is the front. It has a slip pocket in the front. I don't know if you're going to see that. And a zip pocket in the back with the Balenciaga logoing. I don't think you're going to be able to see that, but yeah, it's pretty roomy. Let's see. I think I have, yeah, here's the, it came with like the, I guess, I'm not sure, the care card. It came with the care card, and it came with the leather, the little leather piece. It came with those, so I keep those in the little slip pocket. I need to make a little file like for this bag and put all these little tags and everything, which I usually do. And it came with this little, it's original like little, this, I'm not sure exactly, I believe it's like the control number. I'm not really sure exactly what that is, but yeah, I just kept that inside the zip pocket. I was able to use this already, and again, I really love the way it looked. But yeah, I mostly carried it top handle, and it was really comfortable, and I don't know, I really, really do like this piece, and I'm happy I was able to add it to my collection. I do have a few other pieces from the Bazaar collection that I may or may not have purchased already and unboxed, but we'll see in the, we'll reveal, I guess, while the cat's out of the bag, I guess we'll reveal those later. But I'm really happy I was able to add this one. I think it's just fun, and again, I love the quirkiness of it. And I'm actually on the hunt for the triangle bag in like this really beautiful like blue color. And yeah, it's a triangle bag. I believe it's the XS size with the chain handle. That's what I'm on the hunt for now, as well as the bag that look like, it looks like a mattress, like, you know, when you buy like bedding and it comes in that plastic bag, it looks like that, and it's like in this blue print, and it just says like Balenciaga on the side. I really want that piece, and I've been on the hunt for those two pieces. I do have a budget that I try and keep inside of, which is usually around, for me, 1,500 euro, but with everything that's going on with like the price increases, why am I all out of breath? I kind of like increased it to maybe around 2,000, but I haven't like bit the bullet on anything yet, just because that sounds just like, that's a lot. That's a lot. And here are some mod shots. Here's how it looks on my shoulder. Fits really well. Oh, I think it's going off. On the crook of my arm, fits really well. Again, I'm super excited to have this bag. Let's get into the and here it is crossbody. Fits really well. And that was my unboxing and reveal of my brand new to me Balenciaga Bazar bag. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is happy. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.